Hello, sixth grade. Let me show you what your assignment is today for IXL. Again, I'm going to give you 3 recommended skills. I do want you to get 100 on every single one, please, but they're not due till Friday. So let me share my screen with you here, and I'm going to show you what those skills are. Okay, they're going to be these first 3 right here, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, let's look at the first one together. Write multiplication expressions using exponents. Okay, so if we look at this one, it's going to load up here, maybe. Wake up IXL. Hello, good morning. Here we go. Okay, so write the expression using an exponent. So it says 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2's do you have there? You have 3 2's, right? So you're going to say 2 to the third power. Let's look at another one. 3 times 3. So you're going to have 3 raised up to, how many 3's do you have there? You have 2 of them, right? So 3 to the second power. Okay, let's go to a little harder ones. So let's look at this one. How many 4's you got? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4's. So you're going to have 4 raised up to the 5th power. Okay, let's see if we can go to any harder ones. That one's easy. Okay, so these are all pretty easy now. You should understand these. So 61, how many 61's do you have there? You have 3 61's. So 61 raised up to the 3rd power. Okay, let's go to another skill that I recommended for you. So we're going to go back to skill plans. And these will just all be on your front page. It'll say your teacher has recommended these skills. Okay. Man, this is moving slow today. 6th grade. We are in module 4. I don't know why I hit 5. Okay. Next one, evaluate exponents. Let's look at a couple of those. So when you're evaluating exponents, remember it is not 9 times 2, all right? This is not 9 times 2. What this is saying is 9 times 9, because there's 2, the exponent is 2, which means you have 2 9's. So 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, let's look at another one. 5 squared. When there's a 2 up there, it's called squared. When there's a 3 as the exponent, it's called cubed. All right, remember that. So this is 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. That's 25. Okay, let's look at another one. 2 raised up to the 0 power. So this is important. Anything raised up to the 0 power, anything, is going to be 1 always. Okay? This one, 1 raised up to the 3rd power, or 1 cubed. That means it's going to be 1 times 1 times 1, which is always still going to be 1. Let's go to some harder ones here. Here, let's look at this one. What is 8 to the 0th power? That's a weird word, 0th. Remember, anything to the 0th power is going to be 1. What is 6 raised up to the power of 0? Same thing, it's going to be 1. Okay, let's go to some harder ones. That one's easy. Look at this one, 0 raised up to the 3rd power. So you have 0 times 0 times 0, which is 0. 11 to the 1st power. So you have only one 11, which is going to be 11. 5 raised up to the 2nd power, 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay, so there you go. Let's try that one. Make sure you get 100% on that one, please. And let's look at one more skill that I want you guys to complete. Okay, so 6th grade. And module 4. Okay, last one, exponents with decimal bases. Yee. That sounds hard, doesn't it? It's not. I'll show you. Exponents with decimal bases. Come on. Okay, so Now we got 0.2 raised up to the third power. Okay, so for this, I'm going to see if I can write with this. Okay, so now what it is saying is we have 0.2. Oh, that's so slow. Okay, times oh my gosh, come on, this thing's so slow. Times, okay, 0. Oh, I'm gonna just try to do this with my mouse. This is terrible. There we go. 0.2 times another 0.2, because it's showing you that there are 3 0.2s. So you're just going to multiply all these together, right? So you got 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 2, which is 8, right? So your answer is going to be 0.8. Let's see if that's right. 0.8. No, it's not right. Why not? Oh, I forgot a 0. See, teachers even make mistakes. I don't make many. That's the first one I'll make all year, I promise. Okay, so this is good though, because if it tells you you're wrong, don't just hit click and go on. Scroll down and see what you did. Let me get this annoying ink off the screen, sorry. Clear all drawings, yes, great. Okay, so if you get it wrong, scroll down and actually see why you got it wrong. It says, remember, next one tells you how many times its base is used as a factor. So here you got 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2, like I just did. I forgot a 0 in there though, so it's, remember, you have how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's look at one more. Okay, so 0.7 times 3. Okay, so 7 times 7 is 49. Let me see if I can do this again. Okay, so we got 7 times another 0.7. Okay, and we know this, if you put 2 of them, this is 0.49. Okay, if we do one more of the 0.7, because there's 3 of them. Okay, now we got 9 times 7 is 63. Carry your 6 up here. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 6 is 34. And how many decimal places will I have altogether? I will have 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 0.343. Let's see if I'm correct. This would be really embarrassing if I'm not correct again. 343. Ooh. Right? So there you go. Let's erase this. Clear all drawings. Okay, fine. I'll do one more with you. Okay, so here we go. So you got 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to write 16 down here. And then 16 times another 4. Remember, this is 6 times 4 is 24. That's going to be 64. Okay, so you got 64 and you got 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. And there needs to be a 0 right here. Okay, so 0.064. Let's see if I'm right. 0.064. There you go. Okay, so that is what you're going to do. Remember, these are all due on Friday, 100% on all of them, please. Let's even go to a harder one, and I'll show you. It's the same concept. You're just taking that number, right? Remember, anything to the power of 0, though, is 1. Okay, so you're just taking this number and you're multiplying it by itself this many times. Okay, so why don't you try to do that? Let me know if you have any questions. If you need your IXL account, let me know, but you all should have that now. Please, when I give it to you, write it down so I don't have to give it to you twice. Hope you all have a good day. Take care.